Hello viewers, I am Venkat Rao Gaddam, stock market technical analyst. So today we'll see what happened in Nifty, Bank Nifty and Fin Nifty major indices. So date is 9th November 2022. So first let us start with Nifty. So Nifty opened with huge gap up somewhere 18,290 level. And yesterday's high was somewhere 18,250 level. So yesterday also it was opened with huge gap up and went upside and comes downside. So today when it opened with huge gap up, market didn't sustain at that level. So usually when gap up opens, so market should not touch yesterday's high, and even if it touches yesterday's high, it should not close below that yesterday's high actually. So this was the yesterday's high and first 15 minutes was closed below that yesterday's high. So the first 15 minutes candle itself indicates that there is no interest to go move upside actually. So that's why the second candle also it was closed in the zone of yesterday's high and low, and the entire day it was in retracement. So as long as the market is in less than yesterday's high, so usually the market will be in retracement until it breaks the yesterday's low. So this was the low of yesterday and this was the high of yesterday, and most of the time market was traded in the range of yesterday's high and low. So usually when the market opens up with huge gap up, so it should sustain generally. If it is not sustaining means it is closing in the yesterday's zone. And second one, the first 15 minutes candles low should not break actually. If it breaks 90% of the times, the gap up will not sustain, the gap up will collapse and market will go under retracement. So after that second 15 minutes candle onwards till 12 o'clock, market was in the downward direction. So market has created lower lows and lower highs, and when it was consolidation, it was under tight range of 18,200 and 18,175 level. So almost more than 2 hours it was traded over here. And after 2 o'clock, once the European market started, the volatility was started with heavily. So especially option buyers, it is very difficult to manage this kind of ranges upside and lower side actually. So market finally closes somewhere at 18,120 level. So the entire range, if we observe, the market started with high point of the day and ended with low point of the day. So the entire range was about 18,290 minus 18,120 level, right? So there are about 170 points range was formed. It's a huge range for Nifty, and market whether it sustains or not, we'll see. Actually there are two important levels, so 18,180 and 18,050. As long as the market holds in these levels, so market may consolidate, and once it closes above 18,180 level, it may go upside. If it closes below 18,050, it will comes towards downward direction. So if we see higher time frames, so market clearly it is indicating that no upward interest. So market entered into a consolidation zone. So as long as market closes above 18,180 or 200 level, it was moving towards upward direction. But today it closed in between 18,100 and 200 level. So it indicates clearly it may some days it may continue for the consolidation. So if we see the 1 hour chart, also first 2 hours and last 2 hours are clearly in downward direction, and in the middle 2 hours it was under clear consolidation. So if we see daily chart, technically, yesterday it was formed a kind of dozy or hanging man kind of pattern, and today it was Marubozu candle formed. So this Marubozu clearly pushes down downside, and entire day it was not at all interested to go upside. Actually, Marubozu clearly indicates that it's a bearish pattern. So I'll see, as long as market holds in between 18,180 and 18,050, it will go under either consolidation or upside only. So if it breaks and closes below 18,050, it may fall towards downward direction. Okay, so this is about Nifty. And if we see Bank Nifty also, it was traded under a tight range actually. So as for the open, I think it is about 41,900 level, and Bank Nifty somewhat maintains yesterday's high up to 12 o'clock actually. Up to 12 o'clock, Bank Nifty holds yesterday's high level. So in the middle, it breaks one or two times, but it holds. Closing wise, it was closed higher than the yesterday's price. So up to 12, no issues. 12 o'clock, it breaks the yesterday's high level and closes below yesterday's high level. After that, somewhere at 41,700 level, it took some support and went towards 41,950 level actually. So till now, Bank Nifty all-time high was 48,840, which was formed in somewhere September of 2022. So 41,840 level, it faced a huge resistance. Till 12 o'clock, it didn't close above 41,840 level. So after 12 o'clock, this moves upward direction, but at European markets 2:30 time, it was created a bigger volatility, and finally it closes below 41,840. So for Bank Nifty, we need to watch 41,500 and 41,000 levels. So as long as market holds above 41,500, it will go upward direction only. So once it closes below 41,000, market may enters into downward direction. So if we see 1 hour chart, so here there is a big consolidation or volatility. So the entire range for Bank Nifty was about 250 points only. So maximum it was touched 41,950 level, 41,950 level and 41,700 level only, or 690 level. So hardly there are about 250 or 260 points range formed. It is very range. So in recent days, if we compare the range, it was very small range formed in Bank Nifty. So if we see daily chart, so in daily chart also, it holds above that. Recently, whatever we have seen, bigger consolidation almost all for 8-9 days, it holds above that level for last 2 days. So market may go towards upward direction only. So as long as it holds 41,500 level, no issues. If it breaks 41,000 level, it may also come under big selling pressure, and it may come towards downward direction if it closes below 41,000 level. So Fin Nifty also creates a bigger volatility today. So it also opens with huge gap up, and it didn't sustain the previous day's high, and when it closes below that previous day high, so slowly it comes downside only, and at 12 o'clock it was trying to move upward direction. So somewhere 18,750 level, it has huge resistance. So since morning, none of the candles were closed more than 18,750 level. So that's why Fin Nifty has huge resistance at 18,750 level, and it was closed somewhere 18,650 level. So for Fin Nifty also, we need to watch 18,700 and 18,500 levels. So as long as it holds 18,700 level, market Fin Nifty may go upper side only. So once it closes below 18,500, Fin Nifty also may comes towards a downward direction. So finally, for November month, we need to watch these levels for all these three major indices. For Nifty, 18,180 for upside and 18,050 for downside, and Bank Nifty 41,500 and 41,000 downward direction, and Fin Nifty we should watch 18,700 and 18,500. So these levels are most important for entire November. So if the price closes above 18,180, it may go upside towards 18,350 and 18,600. That was the all-time high. And if it closes below 18,050, it may comes towards 17,500 level. This was the half of the previous month range. So 17,500 has huge support. So if it breaks and closes below 18,050 level, so we can expect 17,500, or if it closes above 18,180 level, it may retest once again 18,600 level. This was the all-time high. And Bank Nifty's all-time was 41,840 level. Today it was broken and created a new all-time high, that was 41,950 level. So this 950 level or 840 level breaks and closes above, so it may retest 43,000 level. So if it closes below 41,000, it may retest once again 38,000 level. Okay, we need to watch carefully all these levels. So for intraday, we have some values based on the mathematics. So for tomorrow's intraday levels, these are the what we call educational purpose only. So for Nifty, Bank Nifty and Fin Nifty, these are the important touch points. So today, these are the close or settlement prices, and tomorrow, these are the most important levels for upside or downside. So for every move in Nifty, there are about 60 points actually. So if it breaks 18,228, it will retest 18,289. Or if it breaks 18,107, it may retest 18,046 level. Okay, so these are all for viewers and ours educational purpose only. I am not SEBI registered analyst. So viewers, they can just monitor how mathematics will be applied in stock markets and how we can achieve our targets, or how we can see the better results in stock market. This is about today's Nifty, Bank Nifty and Fin Nifty analysis. So tomorrow we will meet for the same major indices analysis. Thank you so much.